Okay, you guys, and I'm back, and we are going to propagate these snake plant cuttings in soil. Let's see what happens, because last time I did get one out of many to root, but after it rooted, nothing else happened. It died, it shriveled up. So we'll see what happens. I did cut these and I let them callus over for a few days, and now I planted them in soil today. So hopefully we'll see some progress here and we'll actually get some pups from these. Fingers crossed. Okay, you guys, so this is gonna be, let me see, let me fix this right. Okay, so this is an update on the snake plant propagation in soil. Unfortunately, the second container died. They got all slushy. Oh no, wait, oh no, that's the camera. On the camera, one of these looks like it's, wait, let me see. This one was looking kind of yellowish. So the other one died. It got slushy. The leaves started to turn yellow, so I had to throw it out completely. There was no saving it whatsoever, like at all. And I did water them. I did the same thing I was doing with this one. Since I planted them in soil, I've actually only watered them once, and the other ones did not survive. These are still the same. These like have not changed whatsoever. And I did take one out a few days ago, and I saw that one was rooting. So put it back in so I could videotape this. But this is the one I took out. And I did the ones in soil before, and they did root, but after a while they just didn't, like, you know. So this one is starting to root a little bit. This one is actually rooting more than the first time I tried this in soil. I might have to change this soon anyways, because as they do start giving me pups, I need space. So this one is the, wait, hold on, are these roots? Oh no. Let me see. You guys can see it. Look at that. And then the third one. Ooh, this one is tight. Oh shit. Oh shit. Let's see. Oh shoot. This one has longer roots. Look at this, you guys. Whoa, this is what I'm talking about. Look at this beauty. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is good. This is what I like. This is what I like. Okay. So for now, it does look like it's just roots. See? But this is the longest up, and they're so strong too. Oh my gosh, if these survive, I'm gonna be so happy. So far, how many did I start with? I did 3 here, and then I did 3 in the other container. So out of 6, we have these 3 that have survived so far. This one in the middle has to root yet. Still has to root. So we'll see. We'll give it a few weeks. And we'll see. Because sometimes some are like really slow to root. As you can see the difference between this one and this one. But yeah, we'll check back in a few weeks. Okay, you guys, so it has actually been almost a year. The last video clip was filmed June 2022, and then we are what, April something? What is it, April 20th today? 21? April 21 of 2023. So almost a year. I don't know how I've had this patience, but these are the ones that were rooting in soil. Look at that. It has a lot of roots, and they were stuck together. So it does have roots. I don't see any pups yet. I'm gonna wash them first, but look at these roots. Oh my goodness. I mean, obviously I knew in soil it would take a bit longer, but I kind of thought you would see some pups by now. In the background, see right here, this is what is left of the original big mama plant, the big one. And then if you've seen my other videos, you know that the other cuttings that I used to propagate in water have actually grown pups. 3 of them have grown pups. A few of them have roots, and a few others I've had to restart. So I'm gonna wash this. We'll see what I find in here, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result after I washed them. So no pups, a lot of roots though. I'm guessing maybe it's because I didn't water them enough, but I was there were times where I was getting kind of scared that I would water them too much and they would cause root rot. I'm gonna put these back in the pot and soil, and I guess we'll check back in like a year or two, or maybe 5. Hopefully. Look at these. The roots are so strong and thick, and especially this one. This one had really thick roots. I'm gonna pot them back in. Hopefully, in the next few months, we'll see maybe some progress, maybe some small pops or something. I guess I'll do an update. Maybe I'm joking, but I'm really not joking. I probably will do an update in a year for this one in the soil, but you will be seeing more updates on the other ones that I have rooted in water, because those are growing. The ones with the pups have been potted, and a few of the others are growing even more roots. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe this video, and let me know your thoughts on snake plant propagation in soil. Talk to you later. Bye.